Chapter 1. What is a stock? A stock is a small part of a company. When you own a stock, you own part of that small company. To make money with stocks, you have two ways. The first one is buy and sell at a higher price in the future. This practice involves risks, but millions of traders around the world do this every single day. Other way to make money with stocks is by investing in companies that pay dividends. Some companies distribute profits a couple times a year, so you can buy stocks like, let's say, Microsoft, and by holding these stocks, you're gonna get paid every couple months. The amount of money you're gonna get paid will depend on the number of shares you are holding. The percentage of profit distributions also depends on the company. Some companies are gonna pay 9%, 5%, 3%, 2%. In this course, we will not talk about dividends, we will just talk about technical analysis and trading.